Hello students, welcome to Studify Success. This is second lecture of quadrilaterals. So we will proceed with the first question, that is, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13, and we have to find all the angles of the quadrilateral. So इस क्वेश्चन में हम एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल यूज करेंगे. So firstly, let assume that common ratio between the angles is x, and we know that sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So जो ratios है उसको हमने common ratio को x consider किया है. So these ratios become 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. And when we write 3x, 5x plus 9x plus 13x, we know that इनका सम 360 डिग्री के इक्वल होता है. So this implies 30x equals to 360 degree. So x equals to 12 degree. Now, so अगर x की वैल्यू 12 है तो 3x हो जाएगा 36 डिग्री, 5x हो जाएगा 60 डिग्री, 9x हो जाएगा 9 into 12 108 डिग्री, and 13x हो जाएगा 13 into 12 that is 156 degree. Next question is, if the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then show it is a rectangle. So हमें ये given है कि ABCD is a parallelogram in which diagonals, that is AC is equals to BD. Then we have to show it is a rectangle. Okay. So how we will proceed? First given है कि AC equals to BD, that is diagonals are equal, and we have to show ABCD is a rectangle. So for अगर हमें प्रूव करना है कि ये जो पैरेललोग्राम है अब वो रेक्टेंगल है, तो इसके लिए हमें किसी भी एक एंगल को 90 डिग्री शो करना होगा. सो अगर हम इस पैरेललोग्राम के किसी भी एक एंगल को, दैट इज ए बी सी डी, किसी भी एक को 90 डिग्री शो कर देंगे, सो ये प्रूफ हो जाएगा कि दिस पैरेललोग्राम इज अ रेक्टेंगल. सो फर्स्टली हम ए बी सी और बी ए डी को कंसीडर करेंगे. ABC this triangle and BAD this triangle, इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे. सो कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? फर्स्टली, since it is a parallelogram and opposite sides are equal, so AB equals to BC. Also, our in this side AB is common, so AB equals to BA common side, BC equals to AD, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, and AC equals to BD since it is given कि diagonals are equal. So this implies triangle ABC is congruent to BAD by SSS congruency. So by CP/CT we will prove that angle A equals to angle B. So angle A equals to angle B. And we know कि अगर एक पैरेललोग्राम है तो पैरेललोग्राम की जो दोनों ऑपोजिट साइड्स होती हैं वो पैरेलल होती है. तो AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. So अगर हम ये कंसीडर करें कि AD is parallel to BC, तो AB will act as a transversal. So sum of co-interior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180 degree. So this implies A plus B equals to 180 degree. Also we have proved A equals to B, so मैं B की जगह पे A लिख सकती हूँ. So 2 times angle A equals to 180 degrees. This implies angle A equals to B equals to 90 degree. So both of the angles A and B equals to 90 degree. Hence it is proved that ABCD is a rectangle. Next question is, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Okay. So हमें given है कि एक quadrilateral है जिसके diagonals एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री पे bisect करते हैं. That is this angle, this angle, this angle and this. All four are 90 degree. And we have to prove that it is a rhombus. Okay. So कैसे prove करेंगे? और also it is given that diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at 90 degree. So ये angles to 90 degree हो गए. Also this sides, that is OA equals to OC and OB equals to BD. Now what we will do is we will consider two triangles, that is triangles AOB and triangle COB. Triangle AOB, this triangle and triangle COB. अब इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है. सो हम कैसे करेंगे? हमें ये गिवन है कि डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. सो OA इक्वल्स टू OC. सेकेंडली ये 90 डिग्री है और ये भी 90 डिग्री है. सो angle AOB equals to angle COB equals to 90 degree given to us in the question. And OB is our common side. Hence, by side angle side congruency, AOB, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Now, by CPCT, we can prove AB equals to BC. So, by CPCT, we prove that AB equals to BC. Similarly, if I consider these two triangles, that is AOB and AOD, then I can similarly prove that these are also congruent. Then this will give me AB equals to AD. And if I prove AOD is congruent to COD, then this gives me by CPCT AD equals to CD. So by doing and repeating the same congruency rules, we can prove that AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. Hence, if opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a rhombus because it is a parallelogram whose diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree. Hence, ABCD is a rhombus. So now next question. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at a right angles. So हमें given है ABCD is a square and we have to prove that diagonals, that is AC and BD, are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So it is given ABCD is a square and its diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O. And we have to show that AC equals to BD and AO equals to OC and AOB equals to 90 degree. We have to prove these things. So we will consider two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle BAD. These two triangles. So how we will prove them congruent? Firstly, AB equals to BA, that is common side. This side is common in both triangles. Secondly, ABC, that is this angle, is equals to BAD, this angle. Since it is a square, so each angle is 90 degree. So ABC equals to BAD equals to 90 degree, and it is given to us that BC equals to AD, that is BC equals to AD because sides of a square are equal. So from here what we can say is that ABC is congruent to BAD. So by CPCT we can prove AC, that is we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, right? So by CPCT we can prove that BD is equals to AC by CPCT. Now we will consider another triangles, that is AOB and COD. That is AOB and COD. These two triangles we have considered and we will prove them congruent. So here, since this is a parallelogram, right? Square is also a parallelogram. So AB is parallel to CD. So this angle is BAO. This angle is equals to BCO, as alternate interior angles are equal. Similarly, AOB, that is this, AOB is equals to COD as vertically opposite angles are equal. And also since it is a square, so AB equals to CD. So by angle side congruency, these two triangles are congruent, right? So by CPCT we can say AO equals to OC. So we took two things till now, that is first the diagonals are equal and secondly OA equals to OC. Now we will consider triangle AOB and triangle COB. So triangle AOB and COB. These two triangles we will consider. हमें पता है OB is equals to OB because uh, this is a common side. Secondly, we have proved in earlier part here only that AO equals to CO, and since this is a square, so AB equals to BC as all sides of a square are equal. So by SSS congruency, AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Also, AOB equals to COB, right? By vertically opposite angles. Sorry, AOB equals to COB by CPCT. So we know that AOB and COB का जो sum है वो 180 degree होगा by linear pair axiom, right? And we have proved AOB equals to COB. So by CPCT, so AOB plus COB equals to 180 degrees. So we can write COB as AOB. So 2 times EOB equals to 180 degree, which implies that angle 2 times AOB equals to 180 degree, which implies AOB, which is equals to COB, equals to 180 degree. Sorry, 90 degree. Hence, we proved that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So we have proved all the three things which we are supposed to prove. So first is that we proved diagonals are equal. Secondly, we proved that they bisect each other. And thirdly, we proved that they bisect each other at 90 degree right angles. So student, this is all about today's class. If you find the class useful and want to download the notes of this lecture, you can find the link in the description box. Also, you can download the app STUDIFYSUCCESS. Thank you.